The Lake Hotel started December of 2009. Yung concept ng hotel is para ipa-experience sa mga guests namin yung benefit ng nature. So kung mapapansin ninyo, open yung lobby namin. Since nasa ridge kami ng Tagaytay, so gusto namin pa-experience sa mga guests namin yung benefit of nature like fresh air. Yung edge namin compared sa ibang hotel dito sa Tagaytay is we have the full 180 degrees view of the lake and the volcano, especially from our suites. And that's what makes our hotel different from others. For the regular rooms, we have 4 categories. First is the standard room. Second is the superior lake view, deluxe, and deluxe lake view. Aside from the 4 types of the regular rooms, we also have 6 suites. These suites have full 180 degrees view of Taal Lake volcano from the veranda. So our first suite is the junior suite. We also call this the honeymoon suite. And the second one is the 1-bedroom suite. And the last one is the presidential suite, which has 2 bedrooms. We have different function rooms here, so we are open for conferences, special packages. Of course, we have the wedding packages. Since we have our garden, we can have a garden wedding, which has a full 180 degrees view of the lake and the volcano. And sometimes we also cater to special arrangement like proposals and also birthday celebration. And what makes our birthday packages unique and special is we have mascots here. So we have Mickey and Minnie Mouse. We also have Tiger and Bugs Bunny. We would like to invite all the televiewers to come and visit the Lake Hotel Tagaytay and experience the view and ambience that we offer. For reservations, you may call 725-7080 or 584-4470 or email us at sales@lakehoteltagaytay.com or reservations@lakehoteltagaytay.com. We hope to see you here.